Maybe we got a break here. Hang on, boy. Hang on, boy. It's coming. It's coming, boy. Charlotte,
Do not feed those birds.
watch. Charlotte, watch.
Did they run after it?
What did? Who knows? Did you get it? Where'd he go, Shark?
It
what?
goes right. What?
Where is he?
Say hi. Say hi to it again.
Hey, boy.
Hey, boy.
Where'd he go? I don't even know where he went.
Where's gonna go? I'm gonna feed myself.
Oh my gosh, where'd he go?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna feed myself.
Watch, boy. I don't know how to call him.
Who's Grandma talking to?
My duckies.
There he is, Charlotte. Look at him. He's right there.
Wait do I get?
Really? Right, watch him.
Okay.
See him? Look at him. Sure.
What?
Look at him.
I can't.
Right there. Look. Here he comes.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see him?
Oh no. Oh no.
Bad duckies. I gotta save them.
Charlotte, what did you call him? Eagles?
Yeah.
Oh.
Quack, quack, quack.
What are they, Charlotte?
Eagles.
No, they're not.
Seagulls.
Seagulls.
Eagles.
They're not eagles.
Seagulls.
Yeah, they're seagulls. Do you think they're pretty?
Quack, quack.
Do you think, Charlotte, do you think they're pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.